Hello, this is Brett from Survival Comms, and this is a quick video on how to install a crimp type RF connector on like RG58 or typical mobile radio coax. This is a magnet mount that the connector was damaged on, so I've cut it off and I'm going to go ahead and replace it now. So what you're going to want to do is after you've cut your end off, I always cut a piece of heat shrink tubing, slide that on first. And then you get the correct RF connector here. And these crimp connectors here, this is a mini UHF. And it consists of 3 parts. You can see we have the body of the connector itself, our crimp shell, and we have the center pin. So go ahead and slide your crimp shell on your connector, or on your cable rather, just like that. And then you've got your RF strippers right here. You're going to want to go ahead and line it up so it's even with the end under where the cable size guide is. And then just go ahead and make some clockwise rotations of it. Pull it off. And you can see that we've got our cable stripped and ready for installation. So pull back our braid. Take your center conductor pin. Slide it on top of your center conductor. Take your crimping plier. Place it in the correct jaw. Make your crimp for your center conductor. Slide your body on, you'll feel it snap. Take your braid, push your braid up on the back side of the connector shell. Slide your crimp ring over like that. Now take your crimping plier again. And make your crimp. And you've completed your connector. Slide on your piece of heat shrink. Take your heat gun to it. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps. This is Brett from Survival Comms. Till next time.